G'day folks, this is another S Group daily review video number 23 now. Got home late last night, so I wasn't able to get this video in, but I'm doing it now. Anyways, we got our bell notification here, as you see. I'm just checking my account actually for the first time. I didn't check it yesterday. So it looks like we got 0.31% on our daily earnings. So I got 75% of, based on the amount of money that I have in the system, which amounts to 32.73. And yeah, basically moving right along here, guys. My account's growing. I think I'm about 880 or so, somewhere around there. Still have another couple days to go. Today's Thursday, and then tomorrow being Friday. And yeah, I'll be done for the week. So we'll see if we can get this number close to 400, which would be nice. And then I can, yeah, I'll have that for 2 weeks. So this is how much I've made so far in 8 days, guys. Made 309.55, yeah, in 8 days. So I should flip over the 10 grand here for the all-time earnings, which is pretty exciting, guys. As you see, I'm like about 44 and change, $45 away. Should make that out of today and tomorrow. And yeah, I'm not too sure, guys. I mean, I was like I said in my last video, I was going to do a withdrawal, take some of this monthly earning, take it out, withdraw it, but I might reinvest it. I got some extra cash, so to help pay the bills. So I'm going to yeah, I'm probably just combine these two deposits right here that I have, which will then take my monthly income, throw it up to the top right, and that means I have access to the money I can withdraw and reinvest. So I'll just buy another investment like I have down here and keep, so it'll be this amount plus this new investment, whatever that is, and that'll be going for a couple weeks. So it's pretty exciting, guys. I mean, I'm getting close to 15,000, and then after that, on to 16,000 and beyond. It just keeps growing, guys, forever. So one of my, actually the guy that referred me into the system, he has someone on his team who just invested 150,000. That's crazy. So we got good commissions off that, guys. So he was in actually in India, and he has his wife underneath him that has money invested in the Forex market, and she's at 80,000 because I saw my sponsor's last video that he uploaded showing his progress. So yeah, guys. So it's good to jump on board and get a part of this money making autopilot machine, I guess you would say, at least with the Forex market. Anyways, we're all starting off on Forex and then are branching off to other things like S Pharmaceutical, which is medical cannabis, SIPO, which is dealing with the stock trading, and Liquidity Mining is their own token system. But yeah, when you start off with Forex, guys, it's good to start low, kind of build your account up. What I did was I built my account up to 5,000 over 6 months. So I put $4,000 of my own money into the system. Yeah, guys. So I started putting that amount of money in there over 6 months, 4,000 over 6 months, and within those 6 months, because I had a low amount of money, I made $1,000. So I was at $5,000 6 months in, and then I just let it ride from there, guys. So I went from 5,000 to 14,000 in about 13 months, guys. Just leaving it in the system, letting everything run on autopilot. So it's good to get involved, guys. I mean, there's some guys that come in at the bigger levels. If you got the big chunk of change hanging around, you could put 10 grand, 25 grand. If you put 25 grand in there, guys, just as a heads up, you'd start making like $2,300 a month on autopilot. So, you could definitely life-changing, guys. You could just put that in there, let it earn money for you, and just kind of, yeah, just withdraw the money every 2 weeks or every month, whenever you choose. But there's guys that are coming under 50,000, over 50,000. So the guy that put in like 150,000, he's making like about maybe 13, 14 grand a month, which is like really insane if you think of it. But anyways, guys, getting towards the end of my 5-minute daily review video. Yeah, make sure you click on the subscribe button down below. Subscribe to my channel so you can get all my daily updates and reviews. And also, yeah, email is in the description if you want to shoot me an email and have discussion about S Group. And don't forget the sign up link is in the description down below. Sign up and join my team. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.